Hi there and welcome to Phantom Film School 2. Let me take you through the curriculum, starting off with a lecture for Phantom Standard users on how to use the C button if you don't have a C button. You're welcome to skip this if you don't have a Phantom Standard. Then a great section on killer shots, the look down approach, the pan, the selfie or the droney, the up and over, the pullback shot, and then because everyone's been asking for it, I created a lecture on how to create an aerial time-lapse, which is really beautiful, followed by your tilt shift or miniature effect, which is particularly beautiful if you add this effect to a time-lapse. So some awesome killer shots here in Phantom Film School 2. Then a little bit of theory, heading and rotation, important concepts to understand when using lychee as well as gimbal pitch. Then a taste of video editing, which I teach on Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud, 2 lectures on color correction, a general lecture on color filters, and then correcting exposure. Then an entire section on a shot called the rise, a pure vertical ascent, but there is a lot you can do with the rise. So I teach the basic rise, the look down twist, which is really abstract and beautiful, the rise and reveal, and the rise and pan. Next, a very popular section on 360 panos. This is the 5th edition. I teach you all about the different ways of capturing them, as well as capturing them with bracketing, editing them, and also using a plugin called Infuse, which if you do bracketing, you're going to love Infuse. Stitching with PTGUI, which I think is probably the best software out there for the job. How to fix the hole in the sky, plus an alternative method of fixing the hole in the sky. Publishing your 360 pano, fixing control point errors, and finally, creating aerial virtual tours, which you're also going to love. Then we have a section in extra stuff where I give you some photography tips as well as battery tips, very useful lectures. Finally, a bonus lecture, and the bonus lecture will tell you about some awesome promotions that I'm running. And just remember to join the Facebook group. Go to Facebook, type in Phantom Film School, and come and join us. There's some amazing activity happening on the group. Everyone helps everyone, and it's a great place to continue learning. Thank you for watching this introduction, and I hope you enjoy the course.